Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahilya Vittal Wagmude, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Botany, Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad. Dear friends, we are going to study the cryptogamic botany. So these are the points which are going to cover in the entire chapter. Types of cryptogamic plant, algae, taxonomic position. So what is mean by cryptogamy? Cryptogamy, that are the plants which are flowerless and seedless. These plants that reproduce by the spores without flower or seeds. An example of these cryptogams, that is the algae, lichen, mosses and ferns. There are some non-photosynthetic organisms are included in cryptogams, plants such as fungi, molds and bacteria. Thallophyte, these are the lower plants and spore-bearing plants. Cryptogams are opposite to the phanerogams. These phanerogams are visible or spermatophyta, that is the sperma, seed and phyton plants. There are four groups of the plant kingdom, that is the Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. In Thallophyta, lower plants are present or spore bearing plants are present. Bryophyta, these are the non-vascular plants. Pteridophyta, these are the non-flowering plants. And fourth one, Spermatophyta, these are the flowering plants. Phanerogams, they are visible, and Spermatophyta, that is the seed bearing plants. Now we are going to study the algae. So what is mean by algae, or which criteria is used for the algal classification? So these algae are the autotrophic chlorophyll containing organisms. It is having a dominant pigment. It has a chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophyll and phycobilins. They are widely distributed in the world. There are about 1800 algal genera and 21,000 species in the world. So these algae, they are freshwater and marine water in occurrence. They are also terrestrial, epiphytic, symbiotic form, and the size of algae ranges from few cells to giant forms. Few cells, for example, single cellular, that is the chlorella, and multicellular or giant form, that are the Sargassum macrocystis. The plant body, it shows a plant body with little tissue differentiation, that is the thalloid plant body, and thallus, that is made of the simple or complex tissue. Life cycle, it shows two phases of alternation, that is gametophytic and sporophytic generation. The reproductive organs are inserted or embedded in the thallus. Arrangement of reproductive structure is very special for each group. In algae, reproduction takes by three methods, that is the vegetative, sexual and asexual. In sexual, there are again three forms: isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. So what is the criteria for the algal classification, or what are the reasons behind the algal classification? As the alga, it shows a lot of variation in their character. It is difficult to group all the character used for their classification. So the primary classification of algae, that is based on the morphological and physiological features, but some of the common characters used for the classification of algae, that are the pigments, then the reserved food material, then the type, number and point of insertion of the flagella, chemical composition of the cell wall, then the presence and absence of the definitely organized nucleus and other cell organelles, thallus organization and reproduction types. So these are the characters they are used for the classification of the algae. Generally, there are three types of classification according to the different scientists. That is the classification of algae, that is made by F.E. Fritz. Then classification of algae according to G.M. Smith, and classification of algae according to the Chapman and Chapman. Generally, the Smith classification is followed for the identification of the alga. So in 1955, Smith divided into 7 classes. They are based on the two characters, that is the physiological structure of vegetative cells and morphology of the motile reproductive cells. So according to Smith, 1955, algae has been classified into 7 divisions, which were further divided into subclass. Division 1, that is the Chlorophyta. It includes 5,700 forms. Dominant pigment chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Reserve food is starch. There are 2 classes in the Chlorophyta, Chlorophyceae and Charophyceae. Chlorophyceae, green algae, volvox and Ulothrix are the example, while in Charophyceae, stonewarts, that is the Chara is the example. Then second division, that is the Euglenophyta. 450 forms are present. Dominant pigment chlorophyll and beta carotene. Reserve food is para, amylum and fat. Classes, that is the Euglenophyceae. Euglenids is there. Example, Euglena and Colaceum. Third division, Pyrophyta. 1000 forms are present. Here the dominant pigments, that is the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C, carotene and xanthophyll. Reserve food material is starch and oil. Desmophyceae and Dinophyceae are the 2 classes. Desmophyceae, it is also called as Dinophycetes. Example, Desmartia. And in Dinophyceae, Dinoflagelloids. Example, Dinophyces. Then fourth division, that is the Chrysophyta. 6,000 forms. Dominant pigment, carotene and xanthophyll. Reserved food, leucocene and oil is there. Here there are 3 classes in the Chrysophyta. Chrysophyceae, golden brown algae. Example, Chromulina. Xanthophyceae, yellow green algae. Example, Botredium. Third, Basirophyceae, diatoms. Example, Pinularia. Then the fifth division, that is the Phaeophyta. This Phaeophyta, generally called as the brown algae, it contains 1000 forms. Dominant pigment, that is the Ficoxanthin. Reserve food material, Laminarian and Mannitol. It includes 3 classes, Isogenrati. Ectocarpus is the example, Heterogenrati, Laminaria and Cyclospori, Sargassum and Fucus. Then 6th division, that is the Cyanophyta. 1,500 forms are present. Dominant pigment chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. C. Phycocyanin, C. Phycoerythrin are present. Reserve food, that is the cyanophycin starch. Class Myxophyceae, nostoc and Anabaena, that is the example of the Cyanophyta. It is also called as the Myxophyta or blue-green algae. Then the last group, Rhodophyta. It includes 2,500 forms. Dominant pigment Phycoerythrin. Reserve food is floridine starch. Classes Rhodophyceae. Example of Rhodophyceae, that is the Polysiphonia, Gracilaria and Batrachospermum. So here Batrachospermum, that is the freshwater alga, while Polysiphonia and Gracilaria, that are the marine forms, that are the multicellular alga. So this was about the Smith's classification, which is generally followed. Then Chapman and Chapman classification. So this classification is included in the book The Algae, and he used the combination of biochemical character together with the morphological differences. According to V.J. Chapman and D.J. Chapman, 1973, they classified alga into 10 division and 15 classes. So first of all, the Chapman and Chapman divided algae into prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So in prokaryotic, Cyanophyta is included, that is also called as blue-green algae or Myxophyta, and class that is the Cyanophyceae. And rest, that is the in eukaryotic there are the 10 division, that is the Rhodophyta, class Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyta, generally called as the green algae, Chlorophyceae, and Parsinophyceae, Charophyceae. Then third division Eugleonophyta, Eugleonophyceae. Fourth Chlamydophyta, Chlamydomonophyceae. Fifth Xanthophyta, yellow green algae, Xanthophyceae. Sixth Basirophyta, diatoms are included in this group, Basirophyceae. 7 Chrysophyta, Chrysophyceae is generally called as the golden brown algae found in the fresh water. Then 8 Phaeophyta, brown algae, Phaeophyceae group. 9 Pyrophyta, it is also called as the dinoflagellate, Dinophyceae and Desmophyceae. Last one, that is the Cryptophyta, it is also called as cryptomonads, Cryptophyceae. Then the third classification, that is based upon the characters of pigment, flagella and reserve food material. Here AFE Fritz in 1935-1945 classified algae into 11 classes. Class Chlorophyceae, it is also called as the Isocanthe, green algae. Class Xanthophyceae, Heterocanthe, it is also called as the yellow green. Class Chrysophyceae, golden brown algae. Then fourth class Basirophyceae, diatom, it is also called as the yellow golden brown algae. Fifth class Cryptophyceae. Sixth class Dinophyceae, Paridini. 7th class Chloromonadini. 8th class Eugleni. 9th class Phaeophyceae, brown algae. 10 class Rhodophyceae, red algae. And last one, that is the class Myxophyceae, it is also called as the Cyanophyta or blue-green algae. So these are the three different types of classification of the alga, that is classification of algae according to the Smith, according to the Fritz, and according to the Chapman and Chapman. Nowadays there is a recent classification of algae that is called as the Richard's classification, and it is included in the Robert Lee book. So this classification has in 2006, it has included in 2006 in the book Robert Lee. So these are the previous classification of alga, and advanced one, that is the Richard's classification included in the Robert Lee. Thank you.